pleased with the decision of the Federal High Court today. Is already there under Section 17 and is also there under Section 174 of the 1999 Constitution that government can discontinue, and grounds for discontinue is national interest, public interest, and I represent the people. Likewise, my brother, other lawmakers from the Southeast, we can't go home most of the times. There is insecurity everywhere. People are being killed, businesses are affected. Foreign remittance to our place is going down because people are leaving those rural areas. So it's a matter of public interest and national interest that government considers this option provided under Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act and Section 174. And we have gotten to that same point I will call judicial stalemate. And more important, it has come to the point where national interest is supposed to come into play. I thank the lawyers for holding forth to this particular moment. And I appreciate what the judge said, which is what we have been coming here saying from day one, that we cannot resolve this thing through the judicial angle at this moment. And we have said from day one, both from the moment his house was raided, from the moment he was extradited from Kenya and so on and so forth, that numerous courts in the land have declared those actions null and void. So why are we still here? And federal government has also adopted that same approach in the Meitele issue where they filed discontinuance. They have also done it in Sowore issue where they filed discontinuance. And when we had all these issues in Niger Delta, there was reconciliation and discussions. When we had all these issues even in Northeast, there was the same issue. North Central, there was the same issue. So how come we have gotten to the Southeast, then nobody is having this conversation? So I'm pleased with the decision of the Federal High Court today. It's already there under Section 17. And it's also there under Section 174 of the 1999 Constitution that government can discontinue